Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Love. Today we're going to be doing some geometry and we're going to cover how to get the area of the circle. Now, just a reminder that the area is exactly like the squares and the rectangles and the triangles in the sense of you're trying to get what the area is inside the circle, whereas the perimeter is going on the outside, the borders, right? With that being the case, we need to find out what the area of the circle is. Well, the formula to finding the area of the circle is pi times radius squared, right? Now, if you guys forgot, to get the radius of the diameter, it's just radius divided by, it's just diameter divided by 2, right? So radius equals diameter divided by 2. So we know that the diameter is going to be 14, so it's just going to be 14 divided by 2 equals 7. Now that we know what the radius is, we can begin the actual formula. Now keep in mind, pi will either equal 3.14 or 22 over 7. In this circumstance, it actually makes more sense to do the 22 over 7 because it's going to give you a much easier answer, whereas the decimal is going to be a little more complicated in this circumstance. So we're going to start off with the fraction this time, get our answer, and then we'll do the decimal so that you understand what I mean. So pi, which we're going to do 22 over 7, times radius, which is 7 squared. So what that's going to look like is 22 over 7 times 7 times 7 is 49 over 1, right? So we're going to simplify first. We're going to reduce. 7 can go into 7 once. 7 can go into 49 7 times. 22 times 7. Oops. 22 times 7. That equals 154. Right? So that's just our answer. Now let's try it where we do it exactly the same way, but we're using 3.14 instead, right? But we're going to need to make a little room this time. So we're going to put our answer from the fraction right here. Okay, now 49 is going to be what the 7 squared is over 3.14. So it ends up being 153.86, whereas our answer right here, our answer right here is just 154. So instead of you needing to know how it rounds up, because like I said, it could be 1, it could be 2, you won't know until you do the fraction form. This just gives us the answer outright. Plus we knew that 7 and 49 were easy fractions to reduce. That's why we chose to prioritize the fraction over the decimal in this circumstance.